What is the main ingredient in a milkshake?
That would be the milk.
Milk is correct. And for your first prize, you get some tin snips.
Okay, lit.
What is the most common color of a strawberry?
Red.
Red is correct.
Alright.
For your second prize, you get this face shield.
Yes. Yes, sir. Let's go.
What is the temperature of the sun's surface in Fahrenheit?
Fahrenheit, let's say 20 million degrees.
Is 20 million degrees your final answer?
Absolutely, man.
All right, that is incorrect. The correct answer is 10,340 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you so much for participating.
Appreciate you, brother.